Hey everyone, welcome to the Vela channel. Today I'll show you how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10, 11. First, go to Google. If you have Intel, search for Intel Bluetooth driver. If AMD, search AMD Bluetooth driver. Click the first link, then hit download and accept the terms. Once it's downloaded, open the file and click yes. Click Next, then Accept. Choose Typical Installation, click Install, and after it's done, I won't actually install it now. But after installation, if you go to Bluetooth Settings, you'll see a switch that lets you turn Bluetooth on and off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.